how to review effects you searched for on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review effects you searched for on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then go down again. Here you will find activity log. Click on it and then just click logged actions and other activity, and now go down until you find the effects you searched for and click on it, and here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.